du is equal to d.
Yeah.
And put it back.
Because this is the thing.
Okay.
And you set this equal to, or it's equal to the integral of u plus c. Because this constant.
Wait, you're using
this.
Wait. So, the derivative of I is equal to du.
Mm-hmm. No, yeah, the derivative of I is equal to d.
Wait, so we're turning the I into. What is the?
Yeah, you're
So
missing the du.
No, this
like
is
every integral function is the ends with a d something.
No, this is the d.
I don't know, but like this one, this is integral of u. It's
So are
like
you
integral of
replacing
u?
You know, maybe it's wrong. There you go.
Oh, is this supposed to be du?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I guess that makes sense.
I'm so lost.
I think you should write like an extra integral of du, and then you put that into there.
Oh, so you're integrating this, and you get.
du plus.
But where's the derivative from? Where's the marker?
Oh, because this becomes u.
Yeah, it's just the integral of.
Oh, then you integrate.
And that's
Oh, okay, I see.
That's u.
And then like
go
since
with
a constant can be any
Okay,
constant.
because you're deriving and then you're integrating, so it doesn't. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's u, and then you can change c to d.
You should change c to d because it can be any constant.
So then.
And so then you go to the d with like big rule, just the big d.
What's
sorry,
big
what?
rule?
The big rule. You know about the big rule?
No, I don't know about the big rule.
Is that the big rule theorem?
The big rule theorem.
Oh, the big rule theorem.
No, I can't prove this because I don't actually know.
Oh, that's like higher level math. Like you should have to
Like
accept
high
it
level
as a
math.
fact.
Yeah, it's just you kind of just know that
Is it like
You
imaginary
just know how to
numbers?
turn d in the capital D.
capital
Big D.
Big D. So then you look at the limit as n goes to infinity of the summation of 8d k, and that's equal to big D. So all the sums of d are equal to big D. This is like a Riemann sum. So like you think of like the areas.
Well, then why do you need this?
Well, this is kind of just one way to prove it, and this is also one way to look at it too.
Oh.
Like you look at this in integral form, and then you look at this in Riemann sum form.
So you've kind of lost me on this one.
Well, because if you're looking at Riemann sum, then you have limit of n goes to infinity, right?
Right.
Right. So there's summations to make up the areas. Like
But there's no n.
It's kind of like an estimate. It's like an
Okay.
estimate.
I think
Yeah,
you should
okay.
draw it with the graph would look like.
Well, if you draw what the graph would look like.
So,
Well, do you want to help me like with the
Is
graph?
it supposed to be
Yeah.
8 div is equal to 8 div k is equal to big div?
Yeah.
Well,
but
actually,
it,
you
it
can
could be
only
like
put positive.
any value.
Oh, any
But all
constant?
this, any constant. But like honestly, you can make the constant d. But like any value will fulfill this because it will equal to big D because the summations of all the all of the.
But you have to remember because it's squared.
Yeah.
It also
Bro,
goes on the
already,
other
you should
side.
see what someone wrote.
No, I
Look at the N word
I
on
get
here.
that.
Oh.
So you look at it because then you have like all the tiny like rectangles and shit.
Oh, but you forget about the
Are those the different points?
Okay,
These
well,
are different
let me be
points
in the
where
black
like
for once,
that makes
so.
the theorem true.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, this one.
Back it up, back it up, back it up. What's up, YouTube? What? He wants to be in the video. Look.
No, I don't.
Oh, you caught that on camera?
Yum.
So after looking at that,
Ita.
the integral of d is equal to big D.
Alright, what is your understanding?
If you look at the graph,
Look
it
at
kind
the
of
cam and
like
explain
shows
it.
like
Look
a.
at.
Can I borrow your glasses, John?
Yes. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. So today I'm going to be talking to you about the fundamental theory of integrals.
Yeah.
So we start with the integral of d.
Yes.
Or we're going to prove that the integral of d is equal to big D. So first we do u substitution. I is equal to u, which means du is equal to derivative of I, which is d. Now, we sub in u here. And because it's the derivative of u, and then the integral of that, it just becomes back to u. And the integral, as we all know, is u plus some constant, which is c. And we can change the c to d just because it doesn't really matter what it is.
Obviously, yeah.
Now, using the what is it called?
The
Summation.
big rule.
Using
big rule
the
theorem.
big rule,
Integral theorem.
We know that d is equal to But if that's not enough for you, we also have a Riemann sub.
You guys go Google. Okay.
I'm gonna pass this one off to Professor John to explain it.
Yes, Johnny boy.
So we think about this in a graph form. We can graph the equation of d as this. And so if you want to find the area inside the curve, you might want to look at it like as a bunch of rectangles lined up. And so what you can do to find that is the Riemann sum. Now if you don't want to do the integral form, you can do the Riemann sum. So you have the limit as n goes to infinity of the summation of any number. It could be 8. It's 8 in this sense,
constant.
but any constant times d of k. And so that's gonna be any number. And so this whole thing is gonna be equal to big D. So all the sums of D are equal to big D.
Yeah, equation, like algebraically, doesn't make too much sense. But if you look at the graph, it should be pretty intuitive.
Because if you look at the graph here,
It
like
should make sense.
do we have the marker? Marker anyone?
Nope.
Oh,
Is it
the
on
ground
top of
take
the-
the
Oh,
Well, we don't have the marker, but you would just imagine a bunch of rectangles. You add these all together, and that's how you get the area under the curve. But we also have the integral form here. And that is how we can prove that the integral of D is equal to big D. Thank you for listening to the fundamental theorem of the integrals. Next one, it will be the fundamental theorem of colintegrals.
And you're going to be talking about the theory of Goon.
The theory of good. Thank you, everybody.
You have to cut the camera.
Cut the camera, Carter.
Cover the